Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So hopefully in this video you'll be seeing me buying my couch. We are here at Active Home Center, guys, so I'm going to take you along the process, and I think in this video too you'll also see me get my new bed. So let's go guys, I'm super excited. Alright guys, so I was looking at two options mainly. There's this option with this green sofa bed. I didn't really want a sofa bed, but I like this green tone. I like how simple it was, and I like the price. I believe this one was like $59,000 plus tax. But when I sat on it, it was just like too plain, too hard. It wasn't hard, it was just not luxe. So then there was this option. It was made in Jamaica, really soft couch, and the pillows were like nice and fluffy, the cushions on it. So I like this one. Guys, tell me down below your favorite couch. Which one do you think I got? All right. Yeah, so to that wall. Yeah, where him is, yeah. Okay guys, so I got my couch. I am so happy, and I think it fits the space perfectly because I'm gonna get like a lamp here, a lamp over here, and probably like two end tables. So like it fits the space perfectly. I'm gonna take off the packaging, but first I gotta Lysol this down, then take off the packaging, then Lysol it down again because I had to get the display, and I did get a discount for getting the display, but it's like really clean though. So I'm hyped. I'm gonna show you guys everything and what it really looks like, because right now it's kind of pulling gray, and it's not a gray couch, it's sand. That's the tone. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, but I gotta like spray it down and stuff. All right, so here's what the couch look like. I put like my ring light on, turn on the overhead light so you can actually see. It's still not showing the true color, but whatever. This is the couch, guys. All right, so I'm gonna cut it open. Our tool of choice, the knife. So couch that I got. Oh my god, it looks so raggedy. I must know. And this night, this is the couch that I got. It's called the Cypress sofa, and I got it in the color sand. It's made in Jamaica. It also comes in a love seat and in like different colors, but I wanted the sofa. So yes, sofa, Cypress, sand, made in Jamaica. Yeah guys, so this is it. Let me see if I can adjust the color so guys give you like a better idea of what it looks like. Yeah, this is more the tone, still not the tone. It's more yellow in person, not yellow, It's like a lighter. I don't know. But the camera just not catch the color. But you get the point. Here's the couch. So yeah, I really like it. I really love these big old fluffy cushions in them. And this part, you know, like it's not hard. It's firm, but it's not hard. So yeah, I really like this. Those are the feet, like a dark wooden tone. Nice classic couch. So now I'm gonna spray it down with some Lysol. I'll be back. So yeah, let me just do Lysol. Hey guys, so it's a new day. I fully like unwrapped the couch that I was sitting in last night, watching TV. So I just want to show you some more details about the couch and show you like how I style it with the rug and everything. So let's do that now. All right, so this is the couch. I had this rug from a while ago, but this rug is not gonna stay because as you can see, it doesn't fit the couch correctly to the proper dimensions. So I'm gonna change it, but the tones do match because this rug does have like this is a sandy tone similar to this couch in it. So yeah, what I love about this couch also, you know, the cushions are big and fluffy. It has the zipper here where you can unzip these parts, the covering for the cushion, and you know, wash it. Also, it's the same for the cushion down here. You can unzip it, take it out, wash it. It has this yellow fabric down here. Yeah, really soft, really nice. I didn't know if you guys got to see like the footing. It's like this brown dark wood. Yeah, super nice. The fabric, it kind of looks like suede, but it's not suede. Like sometimes if like you push it a different way, you know the type of fabric there, it give it like a lighter tone of it and so on. Yeah, so yeah, this is the couch. The rug, as I said, this is not going to stay because it doesn't fit, but for right now it will work. It's gonna work. So guys, tell me what you think about the couch. Do you like it? I also got a discount on this couch. I forgot to tell you guys because it was the display. So yeah, they only had one, so I got a discount on it, but it's still like super clean still. I know the fabric may look like messed up in some parts, but as I explained, that's just the fabric. Like if you push it around, like it's gonna look different and the tones and so on. But yeah, super nice. Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Let me take this mask off. So welcome back. We just got out of lockdown here in Jamaica. It's Tuesday, April 6th, I like to say, or 7th. I don't know the days these days, honestly. I really just don't know the days. So I just got back from doing my hair, so I'm gonna flip back to like this morning to show you that process. All right, so now we are back home. So this is my hair. I got it pretty long this time. Yes, so nice. Like I feel like me again. I feel like Britonny. I feel energized. I feel renewed. Period. All right, so I'm gonna get to editing. I bought a patty, so I'm going to eat my patty now and my cocoa bread, and then I'm gonna edit some videos. Let me show you my patty. Let me show you. Yeah, so I got a Tasty's patty and a cocoa bread. So happy I'm gonna eat this, edit, and post a video. It's just work. It's just a hustle. Alright guys. So I'll talk to you a little bit later. So I ordered some body butters from this company, Natural Place. Right? So I ordered a body butter in the fragrance Milk Chocolate. So here it is. This is how it comes packaged. Let me show you, bring down the light in this little sack. Hey you guys, so today I'm just gonna go on the road real quickly. I need to go to FedEx because I'm gonna ship off an Easter bun. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to FedEx real quick and I'll show you guys that and the process. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. The top is from Fashion Nova. Just wearing some jean shorts. Yeah, don't know where these are from. And then the belt, Michael Kors. Like, oh my God, Jesus. All right, so yeah, let's go on the road. See my face? Look at my face. So oily. Stop. Why did I do that? So it's here.
Yeah, commercial invoice.
Alright guys, so sorry about this really short vlog. I just feel like sometimes my life goes by so quickly, like I don't even get the time to pull out my phone and vlog. But stay tuned for the next vlog. Like the last vlog was like 34 minutes, so yeah, the next one's gonna be around the same time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also guys, tell me in the comments below if you want like apartment updates of like, you know, the closet and so forth. Thanks guys.